What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to completely disable Reddit email notifications. Now basically inside of the Reddit app, whenever you make a new Reddit account, it's going to notify you for basically everything that happens inside of your Reddit account. And what's kind of confusing is that there's like 10, even 15 different types of notifications. So when you think you disable it, there's a bunch of other different types of notifications that you could also receive through mail. So I created a new Reddit account and I have this message that I just received now. And I'm just going to open it up and just show you guys quickly how to disable it for every single type of notification where you won't get any sort of notification emails from Reddit. So once you're on the email itself, just go to a random email that they've sent you and scroll all the way down, and you could see at the bottom there is a highlighted text telling you that you could unsubscribe from emails. And if you're just going to click on that, it's just going to take you to this website right here where it says that it unsubscribed you. But if you zoom in really quickly, you are also going to see that there is a text that says, for more email preferences, please visit your notification settings. And you're just going to click on that button, the blue highlighted text, to take you to your notification settings. And then from there, it's just going to take you to this website right here where it's going to ask you to log in. And real quickly, you're just going to log in, and then it's going to take you to a screen where you could change up your notification settings to whatever you want to be and just completely disable them if you don't want any mail coming into your inbox from Reddit. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how this works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.